This is my Raliegh RM4. I first measured the wheels and the dropout to order the correct wheels from AliExpress. I then removed the engine and started to make a plan for how I was going to build the battery box. Once the wheel arrived, I checked that it fit. It was very snug. I then proceeded to make a battery box out of some old shelving that I had, fitting it and checking it as I went along. I had to add some height to the stand due to the tyres being slightly thicker, so I got this old horseshoe and welded it to the bottom. Spreading the weight, it worked a treat. I originally planned on putting the controller inside the box, but after being warned about heat issues, I decided to mount it underneath, allowing cool air to blow across the controller as it travelled down the road. I then made the brackets for the brake calipers for the rear and the front of the bike. After that, I fitted the original Raliegh chopper handlebars. They look cool. After realising the pitch was wrong on the front sprocket, I used a BMX gear ring and then made a backing plate for the pedal. I then handed the bike over to Peter at Paul Cycles, who made a battery for me. I couldn't have done this project without him, as I had no knowledge of the technology. If you have any questions, please put